What's up, family? Welcome to another edition of the Grilling Oasis. Today we're going to do one of my personal favorites, chicken wings. What I did was I built a fire in the center of the grill, and I put some hickory chips there. That's what you see. That's going to give it some nice flavor. It's going to give it a little seasoning that comes pretty unique for that particular wood. So now we're going to put the chicken wings on there. So we didn't put the chicken on. As you can see, we got the chicken sitting on the opposite sides of the center heat. You can see that fire going real nice there. And look at the seasoning we got on there. Check out the blog, man. We only use 4 types of seasoning. You only need 4. Only need 4 seasonings. So y'all check out the blog to get the type of seasonings that we use. If you ever use these seasonings, you ain't gonna ever get no more than that. Alright, fam, we're gonna let this chicken cook. Alright, so we back. Take a look at the grill. Let's see the chicken that we got. We're gonna flip it over. And we're just gonna move it in just a little bit toward that center. See those nice grill marks. Again, we're moving it in toward the center fire. We don't want to burn the meat. We want it to cook nicely. Put a piece up there. If you notice, we always flip them the same way. Flip one way. So we know we mess with them. Flip them all this way. Move them in a little bit. This way, y'all gonna cook nice. Put you right there. Don't want it to burn. So now we're gonna close it down. Let it cook for about another 10 minutes. Then we come back and check on it. All right, so we're back after about 10 minutes. As you can see, fire still going really nicely. Chicken wings looking real good. I'm just gonna flip them. Flip them, flip them. Get a little bit closer to the middle. You can see that. We started out here. Now we're over here. Just flipping them closer in. What this is gonna do is it's gonna give that crunch to the wings. You kind of want that crunch. It's almost like you fried the wings on the grill. So that's a nice way of doing it. Cook real nicely. Closer and closer to the middle. Ooh, look how juicy they are. Alright, fam. See you in about another 10 minutes. Alright, fam. We almost ready to take the meat off. As you put it in the middle, you gotta check it a little bit more often so it don't burn. So now we at the tail end of our grilling. Everything looks good. We got it directly over the heat now. We like that, don't we? Alright, fam. We're gonna flip it. Probably got maybe one more turn, if that. It's almost done. We got everything looking good here. Yep, we're gonna bring the thermometer out here and check it to see how everything looks. Now you see how we started out here. Now everything is directly over the heat, and everything's looking good. All right, fam. Talk to you in a minute. So we just want to check the internal temp of the wings to see how it do. So internal temp should be 165. Let's look and see. All right, that's good. Should be 165. That's good. I see that 194. So it's all good. Yeah. It should be 165 to be done. Oh yeah. 205. You just check them all just to see how they doing. Don't want to serve nobody no raw chicken. You can be sick. We don't want that. All right, so we all good. What you is there, buddy? Oh yeah. So we gonna take them on off because we ready to eat. All right. So I give y'all a little trick. So while we cooking something else to go with the chicken. So while we let the chicken, we keep it warming on the grill. We just move them on out the way like this. They won't cook, but they'll stay warm. You don't have to put them in the oven or anything. You know, just leave them on the grill. Just let them stay hot. Side of the fire. Nothing's gonna happen to the wings over here. See how we did that? Fire's right here. So now you got indirect heat that's gonna keep the wings warm while we warm up the other food. Then we'll come back and get it when it's time for then. So see you in a minute. All right, fam. We back. Look at that. Look real good right there. So we just basically kept them on here to let them warm, stay warm. We got the rest of our food together. So now we're taking off our chicken wings. Only 4 ingredients that you needed. Check out the blog, y'all. See what them ingredients are on the 4 seasonings to the perfect chicken. GrillingOasis.com. There you have it, guys. All right. See you next time on the Grilling Oasis.